Welcome back students. You're watching MCQs part 4 on your channel Math Wings for pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us begin. Here is the first question for this video. There are rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins in a purse. If there are 60 coins of value 195, that is the total amount in the purse is 195, then the rupees 2 coins is, in the sense we have to find the number of rupees 2 coins. Okay, so how you can solve this problem? Here we have two variables, that is one is rupees 2 coins and one is rupees 5 coins. Therefore we have to write the equations to solve the problem. Let us write the equation first. So here let us consider number of rupees 2 coins, that is equal to x, and number of rupees 5 coins, that is equal to y. Therefore they are saying we have total 60 coins. It means what? Number of 2 rupee coins plus number of 5 rupee coins, that is equal to 60. Correct? Now they are saying the total value is 195. So how I can write the second equation? I can write the second equation as 2 into x, that is number of coins into 2 rupees, plus 5 into y, that is number of coins which is y into rupees 5. So the total amount is 195. Okay, so if we simplify this equation, we can get the answer for rupees 2 coin, that is we have to find the value of x over here. Okay, we have to find the value of x over here. How we can simplify this equation? So we can just simplify this equation with different methods. Okay, either you can go with the elimination method, or you can go with the substitution method. Anything will be fine. I'll just go with the substitution method. So I have x plus y is equal to 60. So I will write from this one, I will write x is equal to 60 minus y, and I'll substitute it in the second equation, that is 2 into 60 minus y plus 5y, that is equal to 195. Now 60 into 2 gives me 120 minus 2y plus 5y, that is equal to 195. Therefore it is 3y is equal to 195 minus 120. That is, I'm just taking 120 to the other side and I'm simplifying minus 2y and plus 5y. So here y is equal to 195 minus 120 gives me 75 divided by 3. So here I'm taking 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. It becomes y is equal to 25. Therefore I'm getting y as 25 here. How I can find the value of x? I have an equation here, that is x plus y is equal to 60. So we have x plus y is equal to 60 and x is equal to 60 minus y. This is equal to 60 minus 25, that is equal to 35. Therefore what is the answer here? The number of 2 rupee coins, that is equal to 35. That is option C in the given question. We'll move on to the next question. Two equations in two variables taken together are called, which is the direct question. Just observe that we have two equations with two variables. Two equations with two variables. Okay, so this already we know that we'll call it as a linear equations, right? Linear equations. But here, if you observe the options, we don't have the linear equation. Therefore, what's the correct answer here? Correct answer is simultaneous equations. So what are simultaneous equations? Simultaneous equations are nothing but the equation consists of two or more variables, okay? Two or more variables, and the variables will be same for the given equations. It is known as simultaneous linear equation. Okay, so the correct answer here is option C. We'll move on to the next question. The solution of system of equations x plus y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 14 is. So here we just have to find the solution of the equation. We can go with any method. Okay, so here I have x plus y that is equal to 9 as well as 2x plus y that is equal to 40. So I can just go with the elimination method. I will go with subtraction here. What I'll get? Y gets cancelled. Here I'll get minus 1x that is equal to minus 5. This implies that x is equal to 5. So just look at the options where you have x is equal to 5. Just observe that option C where we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. Just look at the y value. We have x plus y is equal to 9. Therefore, what is y? Y is equal to 9 minus x that is equal to 9 minus 5 which is equal to 4. Therefore, x value is 5 and y value is 4. Therefore, option C, which is the correct answer here. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. We have if 29x plus 37y is equal to 103 and 37x plus 29y is equal to 95, then the values of x and y are. So here, just observe that we can't go with the elimination method. If we have to go with the elimination method, we have to multiply. That becomes the big process. Or if we have to go with a substitution method, again we have to eliminate. That also becomes a big process, right? So how we can solve this problem very easily? So here I have a small hint for you guys. It is observe that here I have 29 as a coefficient of x, but if you look at the second equation, we have 29 as coefficient of y. Similarly, we have 37 as the coefficient of y in the first equation, and in the second equation we have 37 as the coefficient of x. Okay, so we can just see some similarity over here, right? Therefore, what we can do, we can consider this equation as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So, when you have this kind of problem, in the sense, the coefficients are interchanged in first and second equation, you can just go with the method here, that is equation 1 plus 2 that you have to find and equations 1 minus 2. So these two equations you have to find and number it as equation 3 and equation 4. Then you can simplify 3 and 4 instead of this 1 and 2. It becomes very easier. So let us go with the first part, that is equation 1 plus 2. What it gives? So we have 29x plus 37y that is equal to 103 and 37x plus 29y which is equal to 95. So when we add these two equations, what we will get? We'll get 6, here also 6, that is 66x. The second is also 66 itself, it is 66y, that is equal to, I'll get here 198. Now observe here, I have 66, 66 and 198. We can take a common out here, that is 66 into x plus y, that is equal to 198, or this gives me x plus y, which is equal to 198 divided by 66. So if you observe, when we multiply 66 by 3, I will get 198. That is 66 ones are 66 threes are. This implies my equation is simplified to x plus y, that is equal to 3. So this one I will keep it as equation 3, as I told you earlier. Okay, so we'll just check with the next one. What I said next? Equation 1 minus 2. So when we go with the equation 1 minus 2, what I'll get? I'll go with 29x plus 37y, that is equal to 103, and 37x plus 29y, which is equal to 95. So when I go with the subtraction, what I will get here? I will get 37 minus 29 gives me minus 8x, then here plus 8y, that is equal to 8. Correct? Now if I take 8 common out, that is I'll take minus 8 here. If I take minus 8 common out, I will get x minus y in the bracket. Okay, just don't get confused with the sign. Multiply this and check whether your sign is correct. Okay, minus 8 into x gives you minus 8x, as well as minus 8 into minus y gives you plus 8y. Therefore your sign inside the bracket is correct. That is equal to 8, or this gives me x minus y, that is equal to 8 by minus 8, which is equal to x minus y is equal to minus 1. Correct? X minus y is equal to minus 1, and I can keep this equation as equation 4. Now observe here, I had 29, 37, 103, 95, bit bigger numbers, but now it reduced to x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. Easily we can simplify this one. See here, we can eliminate y by going with the addition, that is equation 3 plus equation 4. So we'll get here 2x. What is 2x is equal to? 3 minus 1 gives you 2. This implies x is equal to 1. And what is the y value? If x is 1, y is 3 minus 1. That is y is equal to 2 here. Correct? So x is 1 and y is 2. See, this saves your time. Okay? Instead of multiplying, doing mistakes, it is the easier method to go with. Therefore, the correct answer here is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. That is option A. We'll move on to the next question. Here it's the question where the situation. Let us see. A sports teacher has to spend rupees 1300 when he purchases 10 footballs and 20 hockey sticks from a shop. However, if he purchases 15 footballs and 15 hockey sticks, the amount spent is rupees 1350. Then the cost of one football is. So here we have to write the equation based on the given situation. Okay, how we can go with? See, we have a total amount of rupees 1300 and 1350, as well as we have number of hockey sticks. Okay, this is similar to the problem we solved just now, that is 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. No? It is similar to that one. Okay, so first let us write the equations. After that we can continue. Okay, so here what they have given, 10 footballs. So I will take cost for one football, that is equal to X, and cost for one hockey stick, that is equal to rupees Y. Okay, this all are in rupees. Therefore, I can write the equation as 10x plus 20y, which is equal to 1300, as well as the second equation is 15x plus 15y, that is equal to 1350. Now let us just simplify these equations. If you observe here, I have 10 and 20. I can take 10 common out, right? So 10 into x plus 2y, that is equal to 1300, or I'll get x plus 2y is equal to 130. How I'm getting 130? I'm just moving this 10 to the other side and it becomes divided by 10. So 0 cancels. We'll get 130. Okay. Similarly, here I can take 15 common out. So if I take 15 common out, I'll have x plus y, that is equal to 1350, and x plus y, which is equal to, it is 90, because 15, if I move it to the other side, it becomes divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15, 9s are 135, therefore it is 90. So observe here that we have two equations. Which are the two equations here? One is x plus 2y, that is equal to 130, as well as I have x plus y, which is equal to 90. So we can solve this easily because we have x, which is common. The coefficients of x is common. It is same. Therefore, we can go with the subtraction here. Okay. So we can eliminate x. What is y? 2y minus 1y, that is equal to y itself. So y is equal to how much here? 130 minus 90. That gives you 40. So the cost of the hockey stick is rupees 40. Now we have to find the cost of the football, that is the value of x. So here, what's the value of x? We have x plus y is equal to 90. Therefore, what is x? X is equal to 90 minus y. So x is equal to 90 minus 40, which is equal to 50. So 50 rupees is the cost of the football. Therefore, the correct answer here is option A, rupees 50. So guys, one thing you have to make sure that in this kind of problems, since all are MCQ questions, just observe how much you can simplify the equation. Okay, don't for the long calculation because it takes a lot of time. Just see how you can simplify the equation, and based on that you can continue with the problem and you can solve it easily with a minimum amount of time. Okay, so for this video, this is the last question. uh, Keep watching, continue learning. We'll meet in the next class with a coordinate geometry. Okay, don't give up, continue learning. Thank you.